Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials, a blinking cursor and an app that accepts text. Once ready, open the built-in emoji picker because it inserts standardized characters, no copy-paste mess. On Windows, press Win plus, or Win plus, and on Mac OS, press Control plus Command plus Space. This method ensures correct encoding and consistent appearance across apps. Make sure the language and keyboard settings match your needs, then keep the picker visible while you choose. This is the single, reliable entry point for emoji input on a computer. Once the picker is open, focus on efficient selection. Use the search box for keywords like smile or heart, or navigate categories with arrows. You can click an emoji to insert it immediately, or use arrow keys and press enter for keyboard input. On platforms with variants, expand and pick the skin tone or gender option before inserting so it appears correctly. Make sure the caret is positioned where you want the emoji. Otherwise, undo and reinsert. This yields accurate placement and consistent rendering. Finish by reviewing the inserted emoji in context. Sometimes fonts or apps display a fallback glyph, so verify appearance. If the picker fails to open, make sure your OS is updated and that the shortcut is enabled in keyboard settings. Reassign if conflict exists. Once done, use plain text mode or reselect the emoji to fix spacing or formatting issues. As a last resort, insert the emoji via its Unicode code point or a trusted online picker, but prefer the built-in tool for reliability and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.